Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood and you are watching Shopify course. So as you know, we are building a successful store just like my client store that has generated like $5 million in 2-3 years. So in this course, we are building a store just like that using the same theme and the same techniques. So let's go to the store and so we will see how we can add a video to a store. So if you are new in this course, let me just show you how you can open the theme customizer and how you can add a video. So first of all, you will have to go to your dashboard and here you can click on this online store button. If this online store button does not show on your end, then I have a video on that as well, so you can watch that. So here is the video. You can check out this video if you have any issue related to that. So just click on this customize button and here you will see two sidebar, one on the left and one on the right. If you don't see this sidebar on the right, then you can just zoom out a bit. You can see I am on 75% on my laptop, but on large screen it just show at 100% as well. So let's just scroll down and see where we can add a video. So I personally think we can add a video over here. So let's just click on this plus button and here we will find video. So we can just click on it and here we can now just click on this section and here we can add a link for the video. You can go to your store admin and here you can go to content and files. Earlier this files tab was showing in settings, but now Shopify just show it under content. So here just go to files and here you can upload the file that you want to add on the home page. Just upload the video file. So once you upload the video here in files, then you can just go back and here you can select the video. It will start showing over here. If it does not show, then just refresh and it will show. So in this video I will tell you how you can embed the video, because I think that's a more better way, because when we embed video through YouTube, then it works faster and it also has no impact on your website performance. Like if you upload a very heavy video, like videos are more in size, so if you upload a heavy video, then it can slow down your page. So if you are using any external provider for hosting your video just like YouTube, then it will not affect your website performance. So let's add a video over here. So just go to YouTube and you can upload the video. If your video is already uploaded on YouTube, then you can just copy the link of the video. So in this case I will just choose any of my video. So let's just choose this first video of the course and we can go to the customizer and here we can paste the link and here we can also add a cover image. So we can upload any image if we want, but I just want to use an image from here. So this is the image I am choosing and I will click on done. So here is the video and we can name the video whatever we want. So I have just added a title and we can click on save and now just view or store and we can scroll down. So here is the video, you can see it's working fine. So that's it for the video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos and see you next time.